Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2012 Toyota Prius C Hybrid maintenance light reset. This one's a little weird compared to other Toyota, but go ahead and turn on your car without starting. We're going to be using that screen right there and this trip button right here, and just that button. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And as you can see, maintenance required, and we are on the ODO. And if we are not on the ODO, make sure you click that trip button to go find the ODO. Okay. Now you're gonna go ahead and turn off the car. Once you turn on the car without starting, a blue screen will appear. Before that blue screen disappears, you have to press the trip button 3 times and hold it on the 3rd time. Okay, just like this. Turn on your car. Now press the trip button 1, 2, 3. Hold it, and you see how that number is flashing. That is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.